How to make money online. Making money online is an increasingly popular way to generate a passive income and build financial stability. With the right strategies, anyone can create multiple income streams and access a whole world of opportunities. Whether you are looking for ways to make a little extra cash or trying to build a full-time business, there is something out there for everyone. In this video, we will explore various ways you can make money online in 2023. Hold on a second. Before we start, if you want to learn more tips and tricks and get rich fast, make sure to subscribe by hitting the right button. Number 14. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your services to clients on a project basis. This could be anything from writing, web design, graphic design, marketing, or even virtual assistance. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and People Per Hour provide an excellent opportunity for freelancers to find work from clients all over the world. To be a successful freelancer, you need to have a specific skill set that clients need, have good communication skills, and be able to meet deadlines. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to work on projects that interest you and set your rates. Number 13. Online surveys. Online surveys are an easy way to make money from home. Companies are always looking for customer feedback, and they are willing to pay for it. Survey websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Taluna are just a few examples of websites that pay users for completing surveys. While the pay is relatively low, it can add up over time, and it is an easy method to make money online. Be cautious when using survey websites, and make sure to read reviews before signing up to avoid scams. Number 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service to your audience and earning a commission on any resulting sales. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website or social media following with a niche audience that would be interested in the product or service you are promoting. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate marketing platforms that offer a wide range of products and services to promote. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience and promote products that you believe in. Number 11. Blogging. Blogging is an excellent way to make money online, but it takes time and effort to build a successful blog. Blogging involves writing content that appeals to a specific audience and monetizing the blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. To be successful in blogging, you need to have a niche topic that you are passionate about and create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. It takes time to build an audience, but once you have established a loyal following, you can monetize your blog in a variety of ways. Number 10. Online teaching. Online teaching is becoming increasingly popular, especially with the growth of e-learning platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create an online course and sell it to students around the world. Online teaching requires good communication skills and the ability to create engaging content that keeps students interested. The key to successful online teaching is to provide value to your students and develop in-demand courses. Number 9. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products online either through your website or through platforms like Amazon or eBay. E-commerce is a highly competitive industry, but it can be lucrative if done correctly. To be successful in e-commerce, you need to have a niche product that is in demand and provide excellent customer service. E-commerce also requires good marketing skills and the ability to create a compelling brand that stands out from the competition. Number 8. Social media management. Social media is a crucial marketing tool for businesses, and many are willing to pay experts to manage their social media accounts. If you have experience with social media, you can offer your services to businesses and earn money managing their social media accounts. Social media management involves creating content that is engaging and relevant to the business's audience, responding to comments and messages, and analyzing social media metrics to improve performance. To be successful in social media management, you need to have excellent communication skills, be up to date with the latest social media trends, and be able to create compelling content that drives engagement. Number 7. Online coaching. Online coaching is a growing industry that involves providing coaching services to clients through video calls, webinars, or pre-recorded content. Coaching can be in a variety of niches, including health, fitness, career, personal development, and more. To be successful in online coaching, you need to have expertise in your niche, excellent communication skills, and the ability to motivate and inspire your clients. Online coaching requires a lot of time and effort to build a loyal client base, but it can be highly lucrative. Number 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products without holding any inventory. With dropshipping, you create an online store and list products for sale. When a customer makes a purchase, you purchase the product from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. Dropshipping can be a highly profitable business model, but it requires good marketing skills, excellent customer service, and the ability to find reliable suppliers who can deliver high-quality products. Number 5. Online investing. Online investing involves using online investment platforms to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other assets. Investment platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade allow investors to buy and sell securities and manage their investments online. To be successful in online investing, you need to have knowledge and experience in the stock market, be able to analyze market trends, and make informed investment decisions. Online investing can be highly profitable, but it also comes with risks, and it is essential to do your research before investing your money. Number 4. Start a virtual assistant business. One method to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can work remotely and assist clients with tasks such as administrative work, social media management, email management, research, and customer service. To become a virtual assistant, you can start by identifying the skills and services you can offer and then creating a website or social media profile to showcase your services. You can also join websites such as FlexJobs and Fancy Hands. To be successful as a virtual assistant, you should have good communication skills, be organized and reliable, and be able to work independently. With dedication and hard work, you can grow your virtual assistant business and make a good income online. Number 3. Offer storage space. Using a website like Airbnb or StoreMates is another option to earn money online by storing things. Airbnb allows you to rent out a room or your entire home, and you can also offer storage space for people who need to store their belongings temporarily. A platform called StoreMates connects those needing storage space with others having additional space. By renting out your unused space, you can earn extra income without much effort. It's crucial to make sure you have enough space available and that your renters are subject to clear terms and conditions. You should also consider purchasing insurance to protect your assets and liabilities from unforeseen disasters. In conclusion, renting out storage space might be a great way to make money online passively. Number 2. Start transcription. Making money online by offering transcription services can be a flexible and rewarding way to earn income. To get started, you will need a computer, an internet connection, and transcription software. You can find transcription work on platforms such as TranscribeMe. It's essential to have good typing skills, excellent listening comprehension, and the ability to work independently to complete projects on time. You can offer various types of transcription services, such as medical, legal, or general transcription. You can also specialize in certain industries, such as podcasting or market research. With experience and high-quality work, you can build a reputation and potentially earn more money as you gain more clients. Overall, offering transcription services can be a lucrative and fulfilling online job opportunity. Before I get into the next step, make sure to hit the right button and let me know in the comments below what kind of video you would like us to make for you. Number 1. Start selling photos and videos online. One way to make money online is by selling photos and videos through various platforms that allow content creators to showcase and monetize their work. To get started, you'll need to have a portfolio of high-quality images or videos that potential buyers may be interested in purchasing. You can shoot anything from stock photos, travel images, nature shots, or even short clips for social media platforms. Once you have your content ready, you can list them on platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, Adobe Stock, or even your website and start earning royalties every time someone licenses or purchases your content. To increase your sales potential, it's essential to understand the market demand and target niche markets that are underserved. With consistent effort and a little creativity, selling photos and videos online can be a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business opportunity. All in all, making money online is a viable option in 2023, and there are many opportunities available for those willing to put in the time and effort. From freelancing and online surveys to affiliate marketing, blogging, and e-commerce, there is something for everyone. It is important to remember that making money online requires hard work, dedication, and patience. There are no get-rich-quick schemes, and it takes time to build a successful online business. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn and grow, anyone can make money online in 2023. Hey, if you learned something new, then give this video a like and share it with your friends. Here are some more videos I think you enjoy. Just click to the left or the right.